So planting your skyscraper lilies could not be easier. The main thing is they need really good drainage. So if they're going in the ground, make sure that the soil is well drained. If they're going in pots, just make sure there's lots of drainage holes. If there aren't, either add some, or you may even want to put a layer of gravel in the bottom to really help with drainage. Now, lilies love full sun, so bear that in mind as well. In this pot, I'm only going to put 3 lilies because the spacing's about 4 to 5 inches in terms of width. Depth-wise, I know on the packaging it might say 3 to 5 inches, but these are particularly big bulbs. I'd plant them 3 times their depth, so maybe 5 to 6 inches, and that will really help them anchor in. When they get really tall, it will give them a lot more stability. So I've just placed some premium professional compost in this pot. Lilies will love our compost. In they go, pointy side up. I'm just going to try and spread them nice and evenly. So quick to do this. And then you would literally just cover that with compost. And one more thing that you might want to do is put a layer of mulch over them in the winter. Lilies are fully winter hardy, but this might just give them that extra little bit of protection. This way, they'll come back year after year, get bigger and stronger. In about year 3 to 4, you might want to divide these and just have one bulb in this pot because it will be big enough to literally fill that pot. So yes, it's that easy to plant your skyscraper lilies.